Yeah, we're collabing.
So what we're gonna do, we're collabing. We're gonna play OG Famous Word. We can't play it in public. People
going
say the N-word. And also, volume warning, because this guy,
It's loud.
he's loud.
Yeah, but she already gave you the warning too, so without me saying it, so.
Alright,
Let
let's
me
go.
show how loud this will burn Tic Tac is. Yeah. So I recommend. Okay, I.
Oh my gosh.
Read a boost. Yes. But you better back the hell away. Away. Why you following me?
And also, while he's getting chased, 50 subs and I'll go live. Yeah.
You need it.
What? I'm dipping. Go, go,
No!
go. Oh my gosh.
Ah! 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 Ah!
Just kidding. Try to open your. Wait. Come back in.
Nah, I'm good. That's true. This guy, bruh. Bro, anyone for the. Yeah, that bean went for the door, guys. I don't know how. I think he bought a VIP pack from Downshot and used that. Ho!
You guys ready?
Ready for.
So, YouTube says I need exactly
50
1,000 views on a video and 50
or
subscribers.
short.
See, he has 80 subscribers. He doesn't have 1,000 views on one video. Not yet. But I have 1,000 views on a video, and all I need is like
50 subs. And being grounded.
Yeah, Bean, you're grounded. Yeah, Bean, you're ground beef.
Yeah. I'm adding no song background. It's playing, but you add like videos that's like 14 minutes long.
Yeah, this video's gonna be long, take long to upload. Well, yeah, I need exactly.
I taking my chances and dipping.
No! They're like, woo!
No! Bumbleclot! Bumble? We just watch him die. Okay, I need to get my hair out of there. I got use one eye to. Hold up.
Chat, I'm alive. Chat.
My eye got itchy. Yeah.
Itchy eyes. Let me just itch your eyes for you. Hey! Ah!
Bean, shut up. You're grounded. You're grounded. What do you say? You're grounded. Reed! He's not coming.
Oh, he's not? I'm going back then.
Yeah, he's not coming at all.
Alright, I'm coming.
Yeah, he's not. Don't worry, gang. He's not coming. That's worth it. Yeah. One more. Yeah. I'm not trying to make this video too long. I went for Corky. Or BB Kiwi. Yeah,
If you guys want to meet us in OG from Monkey War, sometimes we'll be in KL. So join that code.
Yeah. And you may see someone else. Yeah, that's our friend. Bean, shut up.
Bean.
You bald Yeah, you bald. He bald. He bald. Balder than Mr. Clean. That's the Bean. You can't even see a hairline. At least Mr. Clean has shaved clean. Bean looks like he got his hair Asian clean.
Vibing. Guys, watch me vibe.
Meep meep. God. Don't worry about that little tracking glitch. I'll be doing it a lot. But if you see me with a hammer and a plank badge and gorilla tag, yeah, that's me. With a face, red dragon face, yeah, that's me. With a dark green color code 020,
Yeah, that's me.
that's me, not you. You're orange Satsuma. Your favorite color is orange.
Okay, I can't be green.
You cannot.
Voila, I'm green to my colorblind viewers.
Nope. To his colorblind viewers, he's orange.
Bean, do you want some? Bean, you want to come over here if you want some
Hey, Bean. Hey, Bean, come over here if you want beads.
That boy Bean, he won't leave.
Yeah, that's where I learned. Goodbye. And peace. Peace.